Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to another online class on changing sentence. Today I want to talk about 10 most important sentences which will be changed from affirmative to negative, and these questions are: number 1, everybody becomes a poet in a rainy day. Number 2, he is the best boy in the class. Number 3, the boy failed to climb up a tree. Number 4, I'm stronger than a tiger. Number 5, he confessed his guilt. Number 6, I forgot his name. Number 7, English is a foreign language. Number 8, he was unmarried. Number 9, he tries his best to teach them morality. And number 10, everybody is unhappy to some extent. Before going through the sentences, we should know some basic rules of changing sentence from affirmative to negative. Number 1, you need an auxiliary verb. If there is an auxiliary verb in the sentence, you must use that auxiliary verb. If there is none, you have to choose from the auxiliary verbs do, does and did according to the rules. Number 2, you need to add not with that auxiliary verb. And number 3, you may need to use opposite word. Now let's get started one by one. The first sentence is everybody becomes a poet in a rainy day. Dear students, it can be done in a specific way. Here you need not use do, does, did as an auxiliary verb. First you need to change the word everybody. So write there is no replacing the word everybody, then but, and then rest of the sentences. And the answer is there is nobody but becomes a poet in a rainy day. Number 2, the boy failed to climb up a tree. It means the boy was unable or could not climb up a tree. So first write the subject the boy and then could not replacing the word failed and the rest of the sentences. And the answer is the boy could not climb up a tree. You can do it in another way, which is the boy was not able to climb up a tree. Number 3, he is the best boy in the class. The students, here the word best is in superlative form. So we have to make the sentence negative following the rules of degree. According to the rules of degree, if you find the plus superlative form, you have to make it negative or positive following some basic rules. The basic rules are: first you need to write no other, then the next part of superlative degree, which is boy in the class, then auxiliary verb, which is, and then as, then positive degree of that superlative degree best, which is good, and again as, and finally the subject he. So the answer is no other boy in the class is as good as he. Number 4, I'm stronger than a tiger. Dear students, it is also a comparative sentence. So we have to follow the rules of degree to make it negative. First take a tiger as a subject, then write auxiliary verb is, because a tiger is third person singular. Then add not according to the rule of degree, then as, then positive form of that comparative form stronger, which is strong, and as, and then the subject I. Number 5, he confessed his guilt. Here in this sentence, first take the subject he, and then you have to take auxiliary verb did, as the verb confessed is in past form. So take the auxiliary verb did and then add not with the auxiliary verb, and then we have to write opposite word for confessed, which is conceal, and the next part. So the answer is he did not conceal his guilt. Dear students, today is no more. The next 5 sentences will be discussed in the next class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.